cube root of positive whole numbers. Examples. Find the cube root of 8. Find the cube root of 8. Solution. The mathematical representation for cube root of 8 is this form, cube root of 8. So to find the cube root of 8, we use the factors approach. The factors approach, we can have this. We have 8. Let's get the factors in terms of product. Now in this case, we can use 2. 2 to divide 8. 8 divided by 2, what do we have? That is 4. 4 divided by 2, what do we have? We have 2. Then we can use 2 also. What do we have? 2 divided by 2, we have 1. So it means that what? 8 is something as 2 times 2 times 2. 8 is something as 2 times 2 times 2. So how many 2 are we having here? We are having 3 2s. So we can write these as cube root of 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, how do we get our cube root? Since we have expressed 8 as 2 raised to the power of 3, you see, if the number here is the same thing as the power here, then the cube root is the base. This particular number, the base, that is the cube root. Since the number here is the same thing as the power here, so it means that if you want to find the cube root of a number, express that number in form of cube, such that the power is raised to the power of 3. Express the number. Then the base of the initial expression is the cube root of that particular number. So it means that the cube root of 8 here is what? Is 2. That is the answer. Thank you.